So we will go now to the exercise. So we'll go to presentation. We will be doing this exercise. No? So first we have the post function, and then we will be having the integer main entry code. So to test this, we will have to go to C++ compiler online. No? So we'll just Google run C++ online, and we will use this compiler to test the code. So we already have the following entry point, no, code. So we'll just delete this one, delete this also. So we'll just have to write first post function. So we have this one, we already have this one also. So we have to type this code. So C out means it will print out, no? So this one is end of line. C out again. So we will print, press any key to continue. So this will be displayed on the screen, and then it will wait for, because we said press any key, so this will make the program wait, no, for the user's input. So we just finished the first function. So we'll go now with the main entry point. So we declared an array named A, and we initialize it with the string hello world. Okay. So basically, when we declare the array, all of these letters will be stored. So it will be stored in a 10 size array. So we print out again. So the value of A, which is the name of the array, is, then we print the name of the array, the value of the array, no? And then end of line, print out again. The address of A is, so we use the ampersand in order to display the address of the array, no? Print out again the address of the array index 1 is, this will print the address of the first index. So we will use the void asterisk ampersand, that means the address of the index, first index, or the first string, okay? First character. And then we pause, we invoke, no, the pause function, then return 0. We just finished the code, so we're going to execute. Okay, we have an error. I think, and then for, oh, this one, I wrote 1 instead of L, so that's end L. Okay, another one should be small l, this one. should be small l, not 1. So we have the following output, no? So the value of a is hello world, the address of a is this one, and the address of the first index is this one. Okay, then we display the press any key because we invoke the pos function, and that's it. That's how we use the pointers and references in C++.